In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up two HomePod minis with your Apple TV and use them as your TV speakers to get great stereo sound. If you stay to the end of the video, I will also show you what you need to do so you can listen to any TV audio through your HomePod mini speakers. The first thing you need to do is open up the Home app. Once opened, you need to make sure the two HomePod minis are in the same room as your Apple TV. So my Apple TV is in the garage. I've got one HomePod mini in the living room and one in the kitchen. So first of all, I'm going to select the blue mini. From there, I'm going to press the gear icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and where it says living room, I'm going to move it to the garage. You'll then ask if you want to use the HomePod as an Apple TV speaker. I'm going to say use. Now that's done, close it and go to the kitchen mini. So select the kitchen mini, press the gear icon and choose the room. So I'm going to choose the garage again. It'll then ask me if I want to use the speakers as a stereo pair. This is the last and most important step, so I'll press use as pair. It'll then ask you to identify where the speakers are. So I'll press the blue one, and that is on the left. And I'll press the right one, and that's on the right. If you look at the app now, you can now see that both HomePods are joined together in the garage in the same room as the Apple TV. You can now close the app and you're done. Now that it's set up, you need to see that it's working properly. The first thing to do is go to Settings. From here, go to Video and Audio and select Audio Output. As you can see, my garage speakers are available, so I'll select them. After a while, you'll see the garage speakers have been selected and any audio will now come out of the HomePod minis. If I play a YouTube video, you should now hear the volume coming out of the HomePod mini speakers. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy... If you want all your TV audio to come out of the HomePod mini speakers, there are two things you need to do. First of all, you need to make sure the HDMI cable connecting to the Apple TV is in the ARC or ARC HDMI port on the back of your TV. Secondly, go back to Settings, go back to Video and Audio. From the audio output settings, select Play Television Audio. You should then get a message saying that it's setting up an audio return channel. Press OK. You should then see a message saying it's connected using ARC. Your TV remote will also be able to control the HomePod mini's volume. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please make sure you like and subscribe as it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.